Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add subtitles to your videos using this AI captions feature on Wing. So let's just find the AI captions. If you open Wing, you can just scroll down until you find this AI subtitles. So let's tap on that. And then here you can just choose the videos that you want to edit. Just tap on start, and after you select the video here, you can adjust or you can just set the voice recognition. So I'm going to go with the video here, the voice from video. Here you need to choose the language. So there are several languages that you can edit the video with: English, Japanese, Korean, Thai, Vietnamese, and Indonesian. And after that, here, if you are a VIP, you can also set bilingual subtitles. Let's just click on start recognitions to start generating the captions. So now it has successfully recognized the captions. If you want to preview it, you can just play the video.
The main thing in my mind is trying to be a good example to her. That's why I'm even doing.
As you guys can see, the subtitle is pretty much accurate. So if you want to edit the subtitles here, you can just click on the subtitles, one of the caption. Here you can go with batch edit. If you want to edit the word, here you can also change the style by going to styles in here. Here you can change the font, add animation. For example, I'm going to go with, let's try the float down, or you can also have this zoom out animation. I'm going to go with black. You can click on the check icon when you are done editing, and the subtitles will be changed. So that's how you can add captions or subtitles to your videos on Wing. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.